Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker Sony with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, now click pair new device, and after that you should turn on your speaker by press one time at the power button. Here we go, and after that press and hold power button for at least 3 seconds to enter pairing mode.
Bluetooth pairing.
Now we should see it at the device list, and just click on it. Then click pair. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!